Ever wondered how to make money while you sleep? Welcome to the world of passive income. Now let's break it down. Passive income is money you earn that requires little to no daily effort to maintain. Imagine a stream of income that keeps flowing into your bank account, even when you're not actively working. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's not. It's very much a reality for many people around the globe. The key is knowing where to look and how to set things up. In this video, we'll be exploring diverse strategies such as affiliate marketing, stock investments, unconventional methods, and even starting a car wash business. Each of these paths holds the potential to unlock financial freedom and provide you with the flexibility to enjoy life on your terms. So buckle up and get ready to unlock the secrets of earning passive income online. First up on the list is affiliate marketing. This is a method where individuals partner with businesses to make a commission by referring readers or visitors to a business's particular product or service. But how does it work? Well, it's quite simple. You promote a product or service to your audience, providing a unique affiliate link. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Now you might be wondering, how do you get started? The first step is to find a product or service you love and are willing to endorse. Next, sign up for their affiliate program. Once accepted, you'll receive a unique affiliate link to share with your audience. The beauty of affiliate marketing is its potential for earning. There are no caps on the amount you can make. The more products you successfully promote, the higher your earnings. But remember, success. For every sale. These methods might not be conventional, but they certainly add an element of fun to the process of earning passive income. Unconventional methods, adding fun to the passive income game. Lastly, we look at starting a car wash business. Imagine this, creating a steady stream of income from a business that practically runs itself. A car wash business can be just that. It starts with an initial investment in infrastructure and equipment. Then, with a reliable team to operate the machinery, the business can function effectively with minimal supervision. The beauty of this business model is that cars like dishes always need cleaning, creating a constant demand. Furthermore, many people prefer professional car wash services for their convenience and superior results. The potential earnings can be substantial. While the profit margins vary depending on factors like location, pricing, and operating costs, car washes can generate significant revenue. So, whether you're an entrepreneur looking for a new venture or someone seeking a side hustle, consider a car wash business. It's not just about washing cars. It's about leveraging a system that works for you. A car wash business, a clean way to earn passive income. We've explored several strategies to generate passive income. Each one, from affiliate marketing to stock investments, holds the potential to unlock a world of financial independence. Remember, affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting products. It's a lucrative way to leverage your online presence for monetary gain. Stock investments, on the other hand, offer a chance for long-term wealth accumulation. It's about smart investing and patience, letting your money work for you over time. We also considered unconventional methods, like monetizing your pet's talents. It's a creative, fun, and potentially profitable venture. Then, the car wash business, a more traditional but often overlooked avenue for generating passive income. It's a solid, dependable method that can be surprisingly profitable. These strategies, when combined, can create multiple streams of income, each contributing to your financial freedom. Start your passive income journey today and pave your way to financial independence.